Is it recording?
Tapasvi is
Right.
recording.
So analytics was totally changed. Now today the section is about Google Analytics. Previously it is very simple, easy and very fast process in the previous. It was getting a bit difficult comparing to the previous. సో ఇప్పుడు ప్రీవియస్కి ఇప్పటికి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంది? ఓల్డ్ వేలో అనాలిటిక్ ట్రాకింగ్ ఐడి యూఏ యూనివర్సల్ అనాలిటిక్ ఐడి ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి? జీ అంటే న్యూ వన్ వచ్చి జీ గ్లోబల్ కోడ్ అనమాట అది. సో నౌ గో టు ది అడ్మిన్, go to the property, all these are the websites. Now create the property name. So for example, yesterday you had asked about Google ID for blogger. In the new process it is very difficult way to create the ID for the blogger. Now I will show how to create the ID. Go to your blogger, and we already have Google tracking ID on this blog. You can see by going to settings and Google Analytic ID. This is the ID. So here already we have an ID. We will create for the new one for HR training. The old previous blog is digital marketing and this blog is for HR training. Here there is no Google Analytic property ID, and click on new blog. So this is the link of the blog. Come to analytics, property name Hyderabad blog. So this is for blog. And reporting time. What is the reporting time for this blog? Indian time. So India. Here it is India. And then automatically the time will be selected here. Now, so we have two ways to create the property ID for blog. First I will show you the toughest one. Next I will show you the easiest one. Select what is the category? Education. So where is the education? Education won't be there. You have to select for jobs and education. Businesses, for suppose take it as small, and what you want to do. So I want to do to measure the customer engagement. This is my site or app experience. Measure data across different content monetization, analyze online sales. No need of this one because we are not creating this property ID for app. So leave it and then create. This is the create. So now for which platform you want to create, web app or iOS app? This is Android app and this is iOS app. I want to create for web app. Now take the URL of the blog, copy, paste this here, and here HR Training Institute Hyderabad and RAM IT solutions, RAM IT, and everything was there. Now come to here, remove the one HR training Hyderabad log from RAM IT solutions. Now create stream. It will come like this, and this is measurement ID, and here we have to keep UAID. So if you check here property ID, previously it will come like UA hyphen, now it is coming like G hyphen. See, if you keep here the ID, it won't take, right? So you have to keep the Google Analytic code starting with UA. So previous mode is that one. I will explain how to get that one later. And now in this way you can go for theme, customize. Don't click on customize, click on down arrow, edit HTML, and now go to analytics, go to global site tag here. This one is global site tag. So copy the code here, and it will display, it will the session how to పెట్టాలి అనేది ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తుంది. Copy the global site tag into head section of the HTML, or if you use a webmaster builder, WordPress or Shopify, copy this site tag and give to the builder custom HTML field, your website builder custom HTML field. If it is a website, but it is not a website and it is a blogger, so blogger lo header section lo HTML code lo unna header section kinda place cheyamani cheptundi. We have to keep this code in the blogger under HTML head section. So this is the head section. So this is the starting of the header. You have to keep here, and now save it. Now is it working or not? Close this, come back to home and come to real time. Here real time, it will show the details. Now refresh. See here, 1. We'll check by going to incognito. So if some of you open that one, Rubina and Tapasvi or someone else open that link in your website, in your Chrome. Is the code of that one. Open, someone open it. See, so second one, someone of you open that link. So both was on the same page, HR Training Institute in Hyderabad. Now I am moving to, oh, there is no other pages, it seems. No, we have, okay, I am going to this page. How the appearance of the gig economy is reshaping the future of HR. See, this one was came and one more person was open the blog. So this is the real time. So now the code is working, right? Now I am closing this one. One more came, 4 views. So I left and 4 other people was there on the blog. Like this we can install the analytic code. This is the second option. Now I will show you the first option, which was the best way to create UA tracking ID, Universal Analytic. Now again, go to Blogger, go to another blog. So this is one of the client. You don't want to create clients. Digital marketing jobs. uBlog. Digital marketing consultancy Hyderabad, and any other blog is there related to digital marketing. Okay, we will create for this blog. It is blog is digital marketing training Ram IT. Ram IT digital marketing course.blogspot.com. Now come to analytics. This is, now I am explaining about the easiest way of creating universal analytic ID for blog. Create property. What is the property name? Digital marketing training blogger, and it is Ram IT digital marketing course. It's not training, course. Digital marketing course blogger Ram IT solutions. Time, reporting time is India. Where is India? India. And this will be automatically selected. Currency in the end, Indian rupees. Select Indian rupees. Now ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి అంటే show advanced options. Go to this one, advanced options ని ఓపెన్ చేయండి. Create a universal analytics property. దీన్ని ఆన్ చేయండి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఆన్ యూనివర్సల్ అనాలిటిక్స్ ప్రాపర్టీ. నౌ copy the blog URL and paste here. బ్లాగ్ యూఆర్ఎల్ని కాపీ చేసుకొని పేస్ట్ చేయండి. దెన్ ఇక్కడ ఏంది అంటే వీ హ్యావ్ టూ ఆప్షన్స్ అగైన్. వన్ ఈజ్ క్రియేట్ బోత్ అనాలిటిక్స్ ఫోర్ అంటే న్యూ వన్ అనాలిటిక్స్లో లేటెస్ట్ డాష్ బోర్డ్ ఉన్న లేటెస్ట్ ట్రాకింగ్ కోడ్. ఇట్ వాస్ ది లేటెస్ట్ వన్ అనాలిటిక్స్ ఫోర్ and universal analytic property. If you want both, you can go for this option. If you want only UA property, select this one and it will automatically deselect if you select the other one. ఇంకొకటి సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఇది అన్సెలెక్ట్ అయిపోద్దండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ స్మాల్, మెజర్, ఆప్టిమైజ్, మెజర్ డేటా across multiple channels, optimize my advertising cost, increase conversions, measure content monetization, analyze online sales, measure app installs, no need, measure lead generation, create. So tracking code was there. You have to copy this code. Now go to settings. We already have the analytic property ID here. Okay, so we can replace that one or we can leave it like that. So I don't know which account we used for this. I will replace it. Save. Now go to analytics and home and real time. This is the old dashboard. Previously we seen ఇంతకు ముందు మనం చూసింది న్యూ డాష్బోర్డ్, ఇది ఓల్డ్ డాష్బోర్డ్. దిస్ is the old dashboard. Now copy the link of the blog. Also just click on this blog. I will open it in incognito. Wait. Two active users. One is me and someone of you. So like this we can do the old UAID. UAID is Universal Analytic Tracking ID and new one is GID, right? So stop the recording now.